Hey guys, it's Freely and today's video is going to be a tutorial on the Hero 7 Black. So I picked this up like several weeks ago. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the Timewarp feature, which is basically hyperlapse here on the GoPro Hero 7. I just gotta say this hyperlapse feature, or what they call the Timewarp feature, on top of the Hero 7 is amazing. Like, it's seriously one of the coolest features on top of the Hero 7. So yeah, I'll show you guys how to do it right now. Alright, so here we are on the GoPro Hero 7 Black. So you want to swipe right here. And then from here, you want to just put your settings in. Up here. And you can choose your resolution. You can either choose 1080 or 4K in the 16:9 ratio. Or you can change it to 4:3 and you get 1440 and 2.7K. But I like 16:9. And I like 4K, so we're gonna go with that. And then these hyperlapses are taken in 30 frames per second. Alright, so once we get that, you can choose your field of view, but there's only one. It's only wide. And I checked all the other ones, and you can pretty much only do wide. And then from here, you choose your speed. Depending on what kind of speed you do, will determine on how fast the video is going to be, and whether or not you're gonna get stabilization. So everything from 2 times all the way to let's see, 30, all the way to 30, you get the stabilization. But then from 60 up, you don't get the stabilization, which kind of sucks, but you know, I guess it has limitations. I tried most of these ones under 30, and 15 seems to be like the nice sweet spot of for the hyperlapse. 30 is a little bit too fast for me. But 15, you know, that's just right from what I tested. So once you have all your settings, you just hit back. And then you should see all your settings right there. 4K times 50 and then wide. And to start, you just hit the button on top. And then you just start walking. Once you do that, it'll start recording and you can just walk and hold the GoPro out. And then you'll take your hyperlapse. That little time up there on the top is how long your hyperlapse is going to be. So a nice hyperlapse I've seen so far is 20 seconds. That's just me. I think 20 seconds is a great length. Now it'd be really weird to just show you guys how to do it but not show some test footage. But here's some test footage of the hyperlapse feature here in the Hero 7. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Think of those clips? Did you like them? Pretty cool, right? So that's the hyperlapse feature, or the time warp as they call it, on the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I think this is the best GoPro they've made to date, even though they say that like almost every year, like what they did with the Hero 5 and the Hero 6. I think this is their best one yet because of that hyperlapse feature and that great stabilization, as you can see from those clips. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments in the comment section below what you guys thought about it. Did you like it? Do you have the GoPro Hero 7? And what do you think of it so far? I hope this video helped you guys. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting more stuff about this Hero 7. I've been loving it so far. But yeah, so subscribe and I'll catch you later.